Who said getting 8 band in IELTS reading is impossible? It is possible. Unfortunately, the students make very silly mistakes. They don't lose their marks because of lack of knowledge, just because they make very simple and basic mistakes. So I will give some of the tips so that you can get your desired bands in IELTS reading. I will start from skimming. Just start reading the questions first. Like if you are going for the passage number 1, read the questions that are from passage 1, then go for the text. Just read the text thoroughly. Don't go for the details. Just take the main ideas and start looking for your answers. Don't waste your time in understanding each and every point of the text. Second is time. This is one of very important thing where the students lose marks. So don't forget that you have only 60 minutes to write 40 questions. You won't get any extra time to fill the answer sheet. So make sure you manage your time properly. Third one is spelling. Check your spelling before writing your answers on the answer sheet. You will get 0 marks for the answer if the spelling is incorrect. So make sure your spellings are correct. Fourth one is keep the order. The questions follow the order of the text in most of the cases. So the answer to the question 5 will come after the answer to the question number 4 and so on. So this is one of another important tip to go for the IELTS reading, and don't waste your time. Like this way, like if you keep the order, if you know the order of the answers for all the questions, then obviously you will save a lot of your time. Underline. When you skim the text, just underline the main things you noticed or the different phrases, or there are some of the text like which are italic or bold. Just underline that. Maybe it is the answer of any question that you will read below, or like you have already read below and you just forgot that question. So if you underline that specific thing which seems different from other words or in the passage, just underline or highlight that. It will help you to save some time when you will search for the answers. Next is vocabulary. Don't worry if you seem some of unfamiliar or different vocabulary. Just ignore that because you don't have to go for the vocabulary. You just need to write the answers. If there is different vocabulary, try to understand that according to the context, in which sentence and in which situation that is used. Every answer can be found in the text, so you don't need any additional knowledge to succeed that. Next is no blank boxes. Answer all the question if you are not sure the answer is correct or incorrect. Whatever you think the answer can be, just write that. Don't be afraid, oh, it may be incorrect. Maybe that answer that you are thinking it's incorrect, maybe that is correct answer. So you don't get any penalty for wrong answer. So try your luck and write the answer like which you think it may be correct. The last tip is cross out wrong answers. This is important thing if there is MCQ questions. Like there are 4 answers for each question. Which point like A, B, C, D. If you thought that D is the wrong one, then just go and cut the D so that you don't distract from that answer, because sometimes there are long options for each point. So just cross that wrong answer so that you can easily focus on other 3 answers, and like this in the end you will get only one answer without distracting from the others. These are some of the IELTS reading tips. I hope they will help you a lot, and if you still need any information regarding that, you can just write in the comments. I will be available for you and I will answer you as well. Good luck for your exam. Always stay positive, take care, and bye bye.